If your morning commute feels like a woodpecker's day, you might need their secret. Let's crack open the science behind their pecking prowess. Woodpeckers are nature's engineers. Their specialized beaks and skulls redirect impact energy throughout their bodies, protecting their brains. Imagine having a brain designed to spread force evenly. Woodpeckers do. And that's not all. These birds convert impact energy into strain energy, with 99.7% channeled away from their heads. The tiny 0.3% left. It becomes heat, not harm. What's more, their small size allows them to handle forces that would leave us dizzy. Plus, they've got a built-in cooling system, frequent breaks, head rotations, and short, shallow breaths. But why does this matter? Because the secrets of woodpeckers could inspire new safety features for us humans. Nature always a step ahead.